that are supporting us to fund, raise some money for refugees from all over the world. Right now we are focused on Ukraine because it's a really serious topic, but we don't want to forget about the other refugees as well from all over the world and all the wars. Yeah. So I spoke to Joel, the owner of this place, our host, that the money from the pot will go to two organizations that are right now in the Polish, Ukrainian and Polish-Belarusian border, trying to do something good for refugees. And the money from the bar, 10% from the bar, will go to local organizations supporting refugees here. Yeah, so alright, so if you have some spare change, you can just drop it to the pot there. Yeah. Thank you very much again.